Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is March 30th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, we see the futures are trading lower by 1.25 points to 23.55 3/4 per contract. All in all, futures have come off the lows, which were made right around 7 o'clock this morning. But again, futures only down $1 at the moment. So we're not going to make too much out of this. We'll see how today plays out. Markets have held up for the last 3 days, so we'll see if they are due for a little bit of a retracement back down. But either way, markets are flat right now. Let's go over and take a look at some stocks in the news. And the first one we're going to look at today is going to be Lululemon. And what you're going to see here is that this stock reported earnings yesterday. Closed at $66.30. It is now trading at $52.07. So this big giant retailer, and this is a sporting apparel maker, yoga pants and things like that, stock is just getting absolutely hammered to the downside. I'm going to have some levels for us in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 a.m. So again, if you want those levels, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see what it's all about there. Again, fully interactive, but we will have levels for Lululemon this morning, which is getting absolutely annihilated, to say the least. Now, in sympathy to Lululemon, you may want to look at Under Armour today. That's trading down just a touch, closed at $20.62, trading at $20.25. Also in play could be Nike. Keep that on the radar as well. That's trading at $56.32, closed at $56.68. So anything in that sporting apparel wear group will be under some pressure today. So just be aware. And Lululemon really taking it on the chin ahead of the opening bell. Next one we're going to look at today is going to be ConocoPhillips. It looks like they sold off a unit today, their Canadian unit. And they're going to also do, I believe, a share buyback, or they're going to give money back to shareholders. Either way, the stock is flying high. Closed at $45.95, trading at $49.69. I don't know, it doesn't sound like a big move, but this is a big move for a big, giant integrated energy play like this. So, big pop up there for ConocoPhillips. Right off the bat, it's a good move. I'm looking for some levels here, which I will be trying to get in the intraday stock chat room. Nothing that I'm seeing right now. Psychologically, I think traders got to watch for the $50 area, obviously. And then after that, maybe around $52.50, you'll hit a little bit more resistance. But either way, great move here for ConocoPhillips. And we'll see how it plays out. But again, stock is strong. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, I wouldn't pick it up here. Again, $50 will be some natural resistance. And then more resistance around $52.50 today for ConocoPhillips. Now, the company that bought the unit is going to be, I believe, Synovus, and they're trading at $12.09, closed at $13.08. So they're down ticking after that purchase. So again, they are trading a little bit lower. I'm trying to find some levels for this stock. I'm not seeing anything right now, but we will keep both of them on the radar, and we'll look at them once the opening bell rings today in the intraday stock chat room. So Synovus Energy buying that unit from ConocoPhillips. You could read the news and see the terms of the deal. I'm not really exactly sure. I think it was something like $17 billion though, so you could check it out for yourself. All right, let's take a look here at some other stocks. Goodyear Tire, I believe today was downgraded. Stock right now is trading at $36.19. No movement off that downgrade. But again, we'll keep a lookout for it once the opening bell rings. I think Restoration was downgraded today as well by Goldman Sachs. That's trading at $42.50. Closed at $43.68 yesterday on a very strong session. So all in all, Restoration Hardware a little bit overbought. I don't disagree with that downgrade. Let's take a look at FedEx this morning. I believe they were upgraded. FedEx catching a nice little bid to the 193 level, closed at 190.92 yesterday. So FedEx upticking a little bit here. On the news front, it's on the quieter side today. We'll see how it plays out. Gold futures today are trading decently lower. They're down about $6 right now. Right now, gold is trading around the $1,250 area. So, again, if you're looking at gold futures, getting a little bit of a downtick. If you take a look at the GLD today, trading at 118.89, closed at 119.33. So, gold's a little bit weaker. Gold miners Also coming under a little bit of pressure right now, the GDX, which is the gold miners ETF, trading at 22.74, down from 22.91 at the close of yesterday. Let's take a look at crude oil today. Crude oil is getting a little bit of an uptick, up about 35 cents this morning. Right now, spot crude trading at $49.85 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, that's had a good little run up lately, last 3 days. Today it's trading right around 1047, closed at 1037 yesterday. So all in all, gold is down, oil is up, and we'll see what this market gives us today. One thing I will say is that we should get some decent volatility out here today if we get some selling pressure. So again, the VIX has really declined as of late. If you take a look at the VIX, now back down to $11.47. So again, the VIX is at a very low level, and anytime it gets down this low, market's always susceptible to some quick sharp pullbacks, and we'll see if we get that today. If we get that, we'll get lots of trading action. And once again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat, and you'll see everything that we are doing in there. With that being said, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.